Hey, what's up everyone? Agent X here. So today, I'm going on a solo camping trip with my dog, Agent Tracker. We just came on a trip. Agent Tracker! We just came on a trip back to Washington from Maui where we were. And now that's my stuffed animal. And it's hers now because she took it out of my bedroom. And yeah, she stole it. Oh yeah, we have an Agent Tracker stuffed animal. I'm gonna be camping in the log cabin, which is right down here. Yeah. It is probably, right now, it's below freezing, right?
Not quite there yet.
Oh, it's frosting. It's freezing like the grass. I have a weapon right here. My hand got cut off recently, so I it's actually just a broken GoPro handle. So, yeah.
But that would be a nice.
It would be good for stabbing a bear in the eye.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Because the Adventure Agent's hatchet can't fit through one of these. The pocket knife doesn't have enough reach. So if a bear is poking a snout through right here, I can just and stab its eye to get it out. Out of here.
This place is doing so good in here.
So this is a normal headlight, and this right here is the new Adventure Agent's headlight. Right.
Oh, so why don't you get the goods out and show them? Because we need to get the lantern set up in here so we can see. So,
right.
There you go.
So we have the new Adventure Agent's camo backpack right here. And put the weapon over there. Right now, we're gonna see what time it is. It's 8:14. 8:15 right now. It's 8:15. So, in Washington, Battleground, or Vancouver. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. So here is the Agent Tracker stuffed animal. Right here.
Aww.
Doesn't smell bad?
Nope. Nope, doesn't smell bad at all. That is so
very
cute.
fuzzy, and we're gonna give it to Faison as her chew toy. We should give one to her though.
Yeah, we'll give her one. We'll give her that one.
This one?
Yeah. Show them the tracker badge.
Oh yeah. There's also a little detachable Agent Tracker badge. You can detach it by just clicking that thing out of place. And then we have that, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on that table I made a couple weeks ago, or months ago. I mean, yeah. And we have the Adventure Agents. What is this? Adventure Agents
Camping
folding table.
Okay.
Folding camping table.
Yeah.
Right here. Ooh. Let's see how well this works. This off, and then take this off. And just slide these rubber bands off like this. Oh, yay! And then you unfold this, I guess. And then unfold this. Okay, and then that, attach it on that. Okay. There we go. And then this, attach it on this. There we go. And let's go ahead and test it out. See if it works. I think I'm gonna stick it right back
spot. Watch. Yep.
Definitely very foldy.
Yep. It's spot right there.
And then next we have the Adventure Agents tea kettle.
Oh, I want to make tea tonight with you.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Gonna get mint?
Yeah. So I'm not camping with Agent X. He's doing it solo tonight, but I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit.
They're gonna eat all my food.
Yeah.
The Adventure Agents tea kettle, it's already been washed. So, yep. Got that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the Adventure Agents table. And then we're gonna get the Adventure Agent little mini charging deal for the headband. And then we're gonna get the Adventure Agents mess kit.
Gonna cook. You're gonna cook soup tonight for dinner.
Vegetable beef stew.
Can you show them this first?
That.
Because I can use that to set up the.
And then I'm gonna do whatever it takes to
open that up.
Oops. The Adventure Agent's lantern was already turned on.
Oh yeah?
Mhm.
Oh, uh-oh. How'd that happen?
Oh, the button.
It must have just... Wow. But it says it's still got full battery. So, yeah, this lantern's awesome. Pretty sweet.
And then
Pretty sweet.
here's the
I'm gonna
mess
set
kit.
it up
I'm gonna go ahead and open
over
it up.
here.
It's just a little net bag with 2 little pans. And inside of those pans are 2 little teacups and 2 little plates. Like that. We're gonna go ahead and stick all this over here.
Alright, well, yeah, show them that. I need to be.
And then we're gonna open this thing up.
That's
The
sweet.
Adventure Agents hatchet. And I've actually never seen this before. Oh, that's great for fire starting.
Yep, exactly.
And for shaving fatwood.
Yep, I'm gonna split.
See how sharp that
It
is.
is sharp. Yeah, it has a hook there. Sharp blade. I'm gonna chop firewood while you keep throwing them stuff.
So we're gonna open this thing right here now. Whatever it is. The Adventure Agents saw. Just click that. Ooh. So, and then we have the Adventure Agents camping spoon. Fork. Both. Knife. All 3.
Spork.
Fork, spoon,
Spoon,
knife,
fork.
fork. No, it's a spoon, a knife, and a fork.
It's a knife?
Hey, look.
Oh, what do they call it? A knife?
It's
What's
a
that for?
it's
Like a little saw.
it's a spacork.
It's a spacork.
Spacork.
Alright.
Okay, we got both of these.
Alright, it is cold. Can you start?
And then we have 1 or 2 last things. I'm gonna get. This paracord can hold 550 pounds.
Oh my gosh! Wow. That's a lot of pounds.
That can hold you.
You and me.
And mommy. And everyone.
Yeah.
You need it.
Alright. Alright, well, need you to start a fire with the
This is great.
fire starter.
This is awesome.
Can you start a fire?
We're going to open the last thing.
Oh yes, this is the coolest.
Caution.
Caution.
Eat this. Wait, I'll read it out
Hold
loud.
on, show 'em. Caution. Caution.
Attention agents, please use caution. This product should always be used in a safe environment with a responsible adult present. It is not a toy and should not be treated as such. Misuse or abuse of this product may result in serious injury or even death.
Yep.
Oh well, I guess we might start just playing with it. And like tossing it up in the air.
Yeah.
Trying it to land way down
Okay.
on our heads.
Alright, so.
Okay, so we're gonna test this out real quick. And
Here.
see if we
Here's
can
how-
make a spear real quick.
Well, here. Why don't you test it out on fat wood? Because we need to start a fire because it's cold in here.
I'm gonna make a spear out of this fat wood.
Well, wait. No, just get the fat wood going so that you can use it to start a fire.
Let's see how well
Here.
that works.
Bring that camera over here.
No, I got it right here. It looks good.
There you go. Now, be careful banging your hand on there. You can still cut
Here's
yourself.
a piece of fat wood.
Alright, here. So, let's start a fire. Excellent. There we go. Alright, come on over here.
Okay, it worked well enough. Here we go.
Now,
Oh, that's that really good stuff that we got
Yep.
from that one place.
alright, so here's the Insurance fire starter. Here, in case you get hungry later
Let's see if
tonight,
this works.
here's a chomp. I'm gonna leave it right over here.
Daddy, this works.
Oh, yeah, don't do that. You don't wanna
It was the backside.
roll your.
It was the back. There, look. The backside.
Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that.
That works really good.
Yeah, but you see.
No, I didn't do anything on the bottom.
Oh, you
That's
didn't?
for me.
Oh, it's on
doing
it.
the fat
Oh, wow, that works great. You're right. Look at that. Man, this is a really sharp 90-degree edge. That is amazing. Whoa!
Let's see how
That's
if this
great.
works better.
I'm gonna make a.
No, that one works better.
Alright, let's see if you can get a fire going on here. Might as well use these boxes for our fire starter. There it is. Nice. You got it. Alright, so you see how you did that? Alright, so look, all you gotta do now with this, just gotta close this and stick this in there. There we go. Now, just doing that might put the oxygen out. So just kind of do that. I'll start sticking fat wood in there.
So I'm sticking the pot on right there. It fits perfectly. Just right there.
I'll hold this way. Oh, that looks good.
Mm.
Oh, nice. Here, let me have it. Right there. All right. Now, let's just stir it with this spork, right? Just gonna stir it. Let's just stir it. Well, this is where you have to be careful, right? Set it down on the camp table. Set it down. So let's see. Who's ready? I'm ready to eat. You can eat this whole thing?
Nope.
Can I have some?
Yeah, you can have a lot.
Ow! Oh my gosh.
Should we dish it out on our little
It's way
plates?
too hot.
Should we dish it
Oh
out?
my gosh,
on
that's
our
so
little
cute.
plates?
No, it's
Should we put it in our cups?
well, we could do that, but let's not get anything else dirty because the more stuff you get dirty, the more stuff you gotta clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's survival 101.
It's. Look, Daddy, I found a wild slowpoke.
Okay. Alright, it's time to eat. It's cooled off. Oh, that's good. Good stuff.
Is it too hot? Is it hot?
Good and hot. Alright, Agent X, so I'm gonna head in, okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, so look. We don't normally do this, but I'm gonna let you play a little bit of game like Zelda or something. Okay, but I need you to make sure to go to bed when I tell you to on the walkie-talkie, okay? We can talk to him on the walkie-talkie. Not the Adventure Agents walkie-talkie because we forgot. We forgot it. I brought all of them to Hawaii, so fortunately we had one left over here that was an old one we used to have, not Adventure Agents, so anyways, we're decently far away, but we can still reach him walkie-talkie, so.
Hey, Faven! So Faven can get in or out of the log cabin. So, Faven, Trigger! Hey! Come on. Not on my sleeping bed. You get in your sleeping bed right there. So, yeah, we got her. So, yeah. Say goodnight, then, Tracker. Good night. See you in the morning. Oh. Agent Tex. Agent Tracker got in through the log cabin while the door was shut. I looked up and then she was just halfway through. And then she was just all the way through. Like, immediately. She just crawled right through.
That's hilarious. Yeah, we'll have to make that door a little bit better. But, yeah, there's nothing's going to be trying to get in there, so you're good. Alright, love you, Agent X.
Love you.
Agent X out.
Hey, Faven.
Agent Trinity out.
Bye. Good night. Right now, Agent Tracker's crawling all over the entire place, just like, where am I? What is this place? Good night.
Set up with her sleeping bag so she knows that's her bed, you know? And get it to where she can get in and get cozy.
I am. Good night. Tracker! Hey, come on. Tracker.
Good night.
In your bed. Lay down. In your bed. Oh, good night, Tracker. About to bite me.
Oh my gosh.
She's growling at me. She's in my sleeping bag.
Alright, so it's 1 in the morning, and I came to check on Agent X. Make sure he's okay. It's below freezing out here, so
It is?
yeah.
And Faven,
Tracker's crawled inside of his
she's
sleeping
growling
bag.
and like, "Arr."
She's cold. Are you making sure she's covered over here?
Yeah, she just keeps scratching at it and like, really?
Alright, Tracker, come on.
She's like, I don't like your sleeping bag anyway. It smells like human.
Hey, there you go. You stay in your sleep. You stay in your sleeping bag, okay? Stay in here. It's warm in there. Yeah.
I've just been like this for the past 3 hours.
Like what?
Just like this. I went to sleep for like an hour. And then I woke up because I was kind of cold.
Mm-hmm.
and then I stuck the wood in, and I got warm.
Yeah. So, wood burn the stove's looking good. Alright, well, I'm going back up. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. You stay in here, okay?
Or two.
She was good. She started barking when I came up. You good guard dog. Yeah. Good guard dog.
Look at her. Good dog.
Great. Let's see if she'll eat.
He's like, nope, but I'll eat that soup.
Want some sardines? She'll like this, but they good, huh? There you go. Want that?
He's not gonna drink that.
Coyotes?
Oh no, Faven's gonna start.
The coyotes are here.
That's what Faven's gonna do.
Uh,
Should keep me awake all night long, at least.
oh
No,
yeah.
there's the coyotes.
The good, she was ripping that up. That's a good sardine. Alright, good night, Agent X.
Ah. Hey, sugar. Hey, so I just woke up and Faven, I'm lying completely sideways with this over my head. The whole front half of her body is inside my sleeping bag. Ah, Dricker. Dricker. Yeah. She is really cold. What are you doing? She's like headbutting me. Hey, Trevor, here. Come on. Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside, Trevor? You wanna go outside? Trevor. Oh. So, last night I had a sausage, and Faven right there, I was letting it cool down, and then 2 minutes later, I look over to eat it, and she's halfway done eating it. Like halfway, completely done. Like a minute and 50 seconds, I'm in my sleeping bag, and then she starts walking over me, and then I start trying to get out, and then she starts taking the first bite, and then I keep trying to get out, and then she was already eaten half of it by the time that I get out of my sleeping bag. So yeah, Checker. And this was 12:30, 1 a.m. in the morning. So I think I stayed up until about 1:10 a.m. So yeah. Let's see what time it is now. It is not too bad. 10 o'clock. yesterday I woke up at 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and call my dad on the adventure agents, or on the walkie-talkie. No tracker, no. Of course you did. It's not too wet. So,
Hey, Max, how you doing? Over?
I was literally just about to call him. I was literally just trying to find the walkie-talkie to call you. Last night, well, you'll see later.
What'd you say, Max?
I was literally just about to call you, and then you called me. I was just trying to find the walkie-talkie. I just have woken up, and I'm completely sideways. Me and my sleeping bag are completely sideways, and my head's facing towards Fabian's bed, and her front half of her body is inside of my sleeping bag.
Yeah, that's serious. Is the fire still going?
Kind of.
Alright, well, throw some of the smaller pieces of wood in there nicely right over the coals, and then shut that door. It'll start getting it going.
Hey, baby. She's crawling all over my video game systems, and she's like about to break them. Hey. Trigger, do you want to get in here? Here, come on. You want to get in? Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Trigger, come on. Trigger, come on, come on. Hey, you want to get right here? Come on, come on. There's no problem. You want to get right here? She was like this, except laying down. And my sleeping bag was open. So, yeah, Checker. She's... Yeah, Checker. She wants to get out, so... But she can get out. Never mind. Okay. You can get out of my sleeping bag now. What the heck are you doing? What? You're not. You just want to be warm? Warm in the sleeping bag? Or do you want to play? 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 What the heck are you doing? You want to play? You want to play? Hey. What? So we're gonna go ahead and give her the agent tracker stuffed animal. Tracker! Hey, you want it? You want it? You want it? So, yeah, the Agent Tracker stuffed animal is also a great play toy for your dog, if you have a dog. I got a fish. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick some wood on the fire, and then I'll see you in the morning, or in soon.
Well, so how'd you do?
Good.
You slept good? Nice. It's raining out here now. Yep. Hey, Tracker, I brought you something. Hey, you want some bacon? You want some bacon? Yeah, you do.
He's like, yeah.
It's good bacon. She's like, I'm out of here. So she started barking at like, it was like
1 a.m.
I don't know, it was like 5 in the morning. She's barking like crazy. And I just like, I was like, oh gosh, what's wrong? So like I tried to call you, like, hey, are you okay? Everything okay? And she's just barking. So I came down here to check on you. You were so asleep. Fabian was just barking like crazy. Somehow she got my knot out and got out.
Wait, she got.
Yeah.
She unknotted it?
Somehow. Ow. Ooh, that's hot. So anyways, I started your fire again, so that's why you had some fire left this morning.
I think I unknotted the knot. I took it off the deal.
Oh, because she was trying to
I
get
had
out.
to go at like 2 o'clock.
Oh, yeah, well, that's what it was then.
And then she ran outside right when I opened the door, so I just kept one knot on so she could come back in.
Yeah.
Because the only thing other than her that can go in and out is a fox, and a fox isn't going to try to come
And a
in
piece
here.
of bacon?
No.
No bacon?
No.
Alright, so you want soup for
Yes.
breakfast? Alright.
Zoop.
Leave the rest of this for Tracker.
Zoop for breakfast. Then, last night on my Nintendo Switch, I figured out that I had a new game. Like that I've never played before.
Oh, yeah?
There's 2 new games. There was Angry Bunnies, and it's basically Angry Birds, except you shoot bunnies at these little hamsters. And you have to try to get the 3, instead of the 3 stars, you have to get the 3 carrots.
Shoot bunnies at hamsters?
Yeah. It's like the same thing as Angry Birds. You have a slingshot, and there's like wood and ice and sun. And some of them can go fast. Some of them can explode. Move, doggy. Move, doggy.
Alright. There's breakfast.
And probably... another one! Look at it, Daddy.
Spider?
More. 3
Oh my
of them
gosh.
already dropped down.
Oh, wow. What in the world? Alright, Spider. Let's go over here. There you go. So, that's crazy. So the smoke from all of this, the spiders are just dropping down because of the smoke, I think. Wow. They're everywhere. Oh! There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there.
So, yeah, that's about it. 89X out and bye. Right now we're going to visit some old friends, so we have to leave soon. So I just packed everything up. Got everything. And yeah, that's about it. 89X out. Bye.